Hi, it's Hitesh from L2W Digital. Today I want to go through how to set up a really basic retargeting campaign. Uh, now, these sort of campaigns are really useful when you want to kind of just promote some content, add value, and you want to educate an audience. So you'll basically send someone to a blog post on your website and then retarget them with an offer. I just want to show you how to set up a basic retargeting campaign within Facebook ads, and then so you can start collecting leads from it. So if we take a blog post here, so we've got this one on how we use Baby Shark to for lead gen. If you take the URL, and within Ads Manager, you basically want to go to and create a custom audience. So if you go to Audience, for some reason it's limited. I'll just select another ad account. Okay, so if you go to Custom Audience, click on Website Traffic, and you actually want to specify specific sort of specific website URL. So if you click default pixel, it's fine. So we want to include, sorry. So people who visit a specific page, just give it a name. So what I tend to do is maybe just give it the name of the page. So we call it Baby Shark page. Click create. What that will do is Facebook will also start to track all people that visit that specific page as well. You could also add to that, include a group of blog posts just to get the audience numbers up, and even exclude posts too. But what that means is when you actually now go to create your ad account, you'll be able to actually select this audience as an option to target. So if we actually now go to Ads Manager, and click on let's create an ad. Because also in this thing, so when you're retargeting, effectively you want to focus on conversions or getting leads. So if we actually select the lead gen objective in this example, if you scroll down, you'll be able to select the custom audience here. So what you can do is now select Baby Shark. I would actually select the country as well, just select everybody live in this location, and all the other settings for your demographics I'd actually leave. So Facebook will target all those people that visit that URL. So they are in effect should be quite warm to your business. So when you're positioning your offer to them, they're already initiated and should vaguely remember sort of the content that they've looked on your website. And if it's of relevant interest, they should be more likely to sign up as well. One thing just to add is make sure that you've got your placement settings correct as well. So you can leave them automatic for now and then specify the budget. One thing to note, as I mentioned earlier in the video today, is depending on how much traffic you get to your website, you won't be serving sort of this retargeting campaign as quickly as you would do, say, targeting an interest-based campaign. So if you don't have a lot of traffic, I recommend either grouping relevant blog posts together and also trying some paid traffic to that particular blog post as well. So you'll actually find that your conversions are cheaper as well because the leads will be a lot more targeted. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm aware this is a very short and quick video today, but there are those advantages to creating sort of a traffic-based campaign and then retarget from them. But yeah, leave your questions below. Also check out our other videos on this channel too, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.